Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is a new day, a new eyeshadow look, and today we will be working with the Morphe 35B palette, which is a discontinued palette, unfortunately. It is the colorful palette. It has basically been replaced with the Release Your Inner Artist palette, which is the collab that Morphe did with James Charles, and it has some similar shades, so you can definitely use that palette to get this sort of look. But yep, this is what we'll be working with today. I think this retailed for $23 and the James Charles one is $39. So yeah, you're paying a little premium for the name behind it, but I hear that palette works pretty good. Yep, without further ado, let's get right into this look. Okay, so this video is going to be thestrugglebus.com because I decided to do all of this. Excuse me if I have food on my mouth because I'm hungry. The first shade that I'm going to dip into with my MAC 217 brush is this very light purple shade. And I'm also going to mix it with that deep purple shade. So these two together, and I'm pushing that into the crease. I like to pack these shadows and then blend. And by the way, I use concealer as a primer today. Now with the Morphe M535 brush, I'm going to dip into this hot pink shadow right here. And I'm going to go over the edges of that purple with that shadow just to blend it all out and create that ombre effect. I apologize if my lip is separating right now. I'm eating in between the cuts of this video. So now taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and this Shiny number 17 brush that I got from Amazon, I'm going to carve out my crease, and I'm going to try to get it as even as possible with the other eye, but that may or may not happen. I forgot that with this eye I cleaned off my lid before doing this, so let me do that. Okay, I'm low-key upset because I really should have used concealer instead of that primer, but since I did it with this eye, I just went ahead and made the same mistake twice, so at least they look the same. Now I'm going to take the only yellow shade in the palette, which is this one right here, and I'm going to place that over where I put the primer. The shadow is crumbling up like it is because of the primer I used, but like I said, I was already committed. Now taking this small little angle brush, I am going to dip into the black color in this palette, and I'm just going to like recarve out above where I cut the crease. Just giving it some depth. And then going back in with that MAC 217, I'm just going to blend that out. Now, again with the same brush, I'm dipping into the lighter purple shade that I use, and I'm going to go under the waterline with it. Then I'm going into that deeper purple, making sure that I'm tapping off my brush so that I don't get as much fallout. Now taking that flat blending brush, I'm dipping back into the hot pink, and I'm going right underneath where I placed the purple. Okay, now I'm just going to add a wing liner and a lash and some mascara, then I'll come back. Okay, so here's the final look. Again, the patchiness in the yellow is from this daggone, where is it? Primer potion. And it's not that this is bad, it's just the combination of these shadows in this base is a no-go. I would just use regular concealer if you need to use concealer, or no concealer at all, but not that eyeshadow base. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like the look that I created. Leave me comments down below. Do you wish the 35B would come back, or do you like the James Charles version better? Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and make sure you tune in every day for my 31 days of eyeshadow, a new day, a new palette. So with that, I will see you guys next video.